Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you that by using Google Translate you can earn over $800 per day. Another day, another way of earning passively. Explore various avenues to generate income while focusing on other life aspects. Embrace the potential of passive earnings and let each day contribute to your financial success. And if you want more useful ideas and techniques like these, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's begin. Google Translate is a popular online translation service developed by Google. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms and language processing techniques to automatically translate text, documents, websites, and spoken words between different languages. Google Translate supports many languages and provides translations in real time. It has become a widely used tool for individuals, businesses, and organizations to overcome language barriers and facilitate communication across different languages. Users can access Google Translate through its website or mobile app. Breakthrough language barriers. With Google Translate at your fingertips, you have the power to effortlessly create enticing and engaging content in multiple languages. Seamlessly translate your brand's unique value propositions, compelling offers, and irresistible calls to action, ensuring your message resonates with each target audience. Grab the attention of diverse markets, connect with customers worldwide, and unlock new growth opportunities. Step 1 is to begin your translation exercise on the Google Translate website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Type Translate in the search bar and click on the search result for Google Translate. Alternatively, you can visit the Google Translate website directly by entering translate.google.com in your browser's address bar. On the Google Translate website, you will see two text boxes labeled Translate on the left and right sides. The left box is for the source language and the right is for the target language. Select the languages you want to translate from and to. Click on the downward-facing arrow next to each box to reveal the list of available languages. Scroll through the options and choose the source language you want to translate from and the target language you want to translate to. For example, you might select English as the source language and Spanish as the target language. Once you've selected the desired languages, you can start typing or pasting the text you want to translate into the left text box. You can also use the microphone icon to speak your text if your device supports voice input. Google Translate automatically detects and translates the text in real time as you type or speak. The translated text will appear in the right text box. You can make further edits or adjustments if needed. The second step is to go to CPAGrip.com. CPA Grip is an affiliate marketing network focusing on offers from cost per action. It provides a platform for affiliates to promote various offers and earn commissions when users complete specific actions such as filling out a form, signing up for a trial, or downloading an app. CPA Grip offers various verticals and niches, allowing affiliates to choose offers that align with their target audience and marketing strategies. Affiliates can access various promotional tools including content lockers, link lockers, and landing page builders to optimize campaigns and maximize conversions. CPA Grip is a popular affiliate network among marketers looking to monetize their traffic through CPA offers. And the best thing about it is it uses PayPal as one of the payment options for its affiliates. PayPal is a popular and widely accepted payment method that provides a convenient way to receive your earnings from CPA Grip. When you reach the minimum payment threshold and request a payout, CPA Grip can transfer your earnings directly to your PayPal account. This allows you to easily access your funds, manage your finances, and use them for online purchases or transfer them to your bank account. PayPal offers a secure and reliable payment solution, giving CPA Grip affiliates a trusted payment option for their earnings. The third step is to register with CPA Grip. Fill out the necessary information, including your preferred payment method. As long as you log into the website, you'll see many people making money using it. Browse through the available offers in the CPA Grip network. Select recommendations that align with your target audience and marketing strategies. Consider factors such as payout rates, conversion rates, and user requirements to complete the desired actions. Choose a top-paying country. Countries like France and Spain offer lucrative promotion opportunities due to language barriers. The unique linguistic landscape demands skilled individuals to bridge the communication gap and effectively promote products or services in these markets. By leveraging your language skills and understanding the cultural nuances, you can tap into these untapped markets and potentially earn higher compensation for your promotional efforts. To get the affiliate link, click your chosen order, choose a domain from the drop-down choices, then copy that link. Develop a marketing strategy to promote the chosen offers using the link. This may involve creating engaging content, utilizing social media platforms, building targeted email lists, or using paid advertising. CPA Grip provides various promotional tools such as content or link lockers to help optimize your campaigns and encourage users to complete the required actions. They usually give long links, so what you'll do is go to bit.ly.com. Bit.ly is a popular URL shortening service that allows users to shorten long URLs into shorter, more manageable links. It provides a free and paid platform with various features and analytics to track link clicks and engagement. With Bit.ly, users can create custom short links that are easier to share and remember. These shortened links, such as social media posts, email campaigns, or SMS messages, are handy when the character count is limited. Bit.ly also provides link analytics, giving users insights into the performance of their shortened links. Users can track click-through rates, geographic data, referrer sources, and other metrics to understand how their links are shared and accessed. Bit.ly offers integration with other tools and platforms, making it convenient to use across different marketing channels. It's commonly utilized by marketers, social media managers, and individuals who want to monitor and optimize the impact of their shared links. Overall, Bit.ly is a widely used URL shortening service that helps users create compact, trackable, and customizable links for sharing online. Now that your link has been shortened, copy it to a website called trafficadbar.com. Traffic Ad Bar is an online advertising platform that allows website owners and advertisers to promote their products or services. It operates on a traffic exchange model where users earn credits by viewing other members' websites, which they can then use to drive traffic to their websites. Users create an account on Traffic Ad Bar and provide information about the website or offer. By visiting other members' websites and ads, users earn credits. The more websites they visit, the more credits they accumulate. Users can use their credits to promote their websites or affiliate others by adding them to the Traffic Ad Bar network. These ads will be shown to the other members when they browse websites within the network. Users can set various targeting options such as specific categories or countries to ensure their ads are seen by relevant audiences. This is where Google Translate can be helpful. By translating your advertisement's copy and messages, you can effectively communicate with your target audience and make your offer more appealing and relevant to them. Google Translate can assist in generating different language versions of your advertisement, ensuring that your messages reach the intended audience in a language they understand. Effortlessly create compelling ads that resonate with your desired audience, allowing you to get a broader audience and connect with them. Seamlessly translate your messages, capture attention, and boost conversions, enhancing their understanding and engagement with your message and increasing your earnings at the same time. Don't forget to save your created ad, which will be held and posted into the network. With each person responding to your ad's call to action, your earnings will flourish, creating a ripple effect of financial growth. Seize the opportunity and maximize your income potential as the impact of your ad resonates with your target audience, leading to a continuous surge in earnings. Don't let language barriers hold you back from earning more. Say goodbye to language limitations and hello to limitless possibilities with Google Translate. Harness the power of translation to revolutionize your marketing game today. Expand your reach, connect with new markets, and open doors to global opportunities. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, And if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.